Standard 11th, Business Mathematics, exercise 3.3. First question, if the equation ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square plus 12x plus 5y plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular straight lines, find a and c. So we'll have to compare the given equation. So compare that is ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square plus 12x plus 5y plus c is equal to 0 with the general equation of a straight line. So the general equation of a straight line is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is the general equation of a straight line, and this is the question what is given for us. So we'll have to compare the coefficient of x square, xy, y square, x, y, then c. Okay, so I'll get it as here ax square and here also ax square. So a is equal to a. That is, this a is equal to this a, otherwise this a is equal to that a. Okay. Now this 2h is equal to this 5. 2h is equal to 5. Next is b is equal to minus 6. b is equal to minus 6. Next 2g is equal to 12. So 2g is equal to 12. Here 2f, we have got 5 over there. So 2f is equal to 5. Your last term is c is equal to c. So now here we have got 2h, so we'll have to find h. Okay, so h is equal to 5 by 2. Same way here we have got 2g, so g is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to, you'll get 6. Same way here 2f is there, so f is equal to 5 by 2. So first we'll have to find all these values comparing these two equations. Okay. Now the given condition is represents a pair of perpendicular straight line, it is given. So given the pair of straight lines are perpendicular So if the pair of straight lines are perpendicular, then the condition is a plus b is equal to 0. So this implies that a plus b is equal to 0. Okay. So a is here, b is here. So we can write it as a plus b is minus 6. So plus into minus, you'll get minus 6, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 6. So first they have asked you to find a, so we have got a. So your first value we have got it. Now we have to find c. So to find c, the condition for the given equation to represent a pair of straight line your condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square, this is equal to 0. So you can use this condition and substitute all the values what we have got it here, then we can find c. Okay, so now a, b, c is there. So a is a itself, b is minus 6 and c is again c itself, but we have got the value of a is 6. So a is 6 here, so you can write 6. B is minus 6 on top, it is there, so into minus 6 into c is c only, so keep your c as it is, plus this 2 is there as it is. F is, we have got it here 5 by 2, so 5 by 2, that is into. Okay, so into, again your g is this 6, So write 6 over there into your h is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2. Now minus this minus. Again a is there. A is 6. We have got it. F square is this 5 by 2 the whole square. So straight away I'll just write it as 25 divided by 4. Because 5 square will get 25. 2 square will get 4. Okay. Now this minus. B is again minus 6. So minus 6. G square is 6. Okay. So 6 square you'll get it as 36. So into 36. Minus again from here. C is C itself. So keep your C as it is. H square is there. So H is 5 by 2. So H square means you will get it as 25 divided by 4. Which is equal to 0. So except your C, all the other values we would have substituted here. Okay. Solving 6 into minus 6, you will get minus 36 and C is there. So that implies minus 36C, that is your first term. Then plus, you can cancel this 2 and this 2. 6 and 2 you can cancel, you will get 3. So the left out will be 5 into 3 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are, you will get 75. Then minus 2 and 6 you can cancel, here you will get, it will go 3 times and here twice it will go. So 3 and 25 you will get 75 divided by this 2 is there. Okay, so divided by 2. Then minus into minus it will become plus. 6 into 36 you will get it as 216. Then minus this 25 by 4, C is there as it is. So I will just write it as 25 divided by 4 with that C, which is equal to 0. So the next step of solving. So we have got two C terms. We'll just take it together. So minus 36C and this is minus 25 by 4C. Now here 75 and 216 is there in addition. So if you add it, you will get 291 minus this 75 by 2 is there, which is equal to 0. So that implies, now we'll just go for LCM, otherwise cross multiplication. Minus 36 into 4, you will get it as minus 144C minus this 25C is there as it is. Whole thing divided by 4. Again for this constant, we'll just go for LCM. Okay. So again cross multiplying, otherwise LCM. So 291 into 2, you will get it as 582 with positive, so plus, minus this 75 as it is. Whole thing divided by 2, which is equal to 0. So that implies minus 144C minus 25C, adding you will get 169. Since minus is there, you can give minus C divided by 4 plus 582 minus 75, you will get 507 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. So the next step of solving is minus 169C divided by 4 is equal. Take this 507 divided by 2 towards your right hand side. So you'll get it as minus 507 divided by 2. Now you can cancel this minus and this minus. So 169C, which implies is equal to, take this 4 towards that side, so it will come to multiplication. So 507 divided by 2 into 4 you will get. Cancel this 2 and this 4 you will get twice. So which implies 169C is equal to 507 into 2. You will get it as 1014. That implies C is equal to 1014 divided by 169. Here it is in multiplication. If you take it towards your right hand side, so it will come to division. Now cancelling 1014 divided by 169, you will get 6 times. Therefore C is equal to 6. So we have got the answer for C. Already we have got A and we have got C now. So this is the answer for your first question.